In this video, we will present the improvements and add-on functionality of the Color Selector Tool. The Color Selector Tool is this pop-up dialog that appears when editing colors. Using the color selector, you can change the selected color. First of all, you can move the small circle inside the color wheel to select any other color. To adjust the brightness of the color, use the track bar next to the color wheel. A preview of the selected color is always available in the preview area. A new functionality of the color selector is that you can directly type a value into the color name box. So if you're familiar with RGB colors, you can simply type the RGB values of a color, separate it with a comma, and the software will set the selected color. For example, if you type 130, 170, 154, no spaces in between, you will get this light green. You may also type the hex color code of the color you want to use. For example, the hex color code of the light green color previously used is 82AA9A. Moreover, if you have a thread palette selected and you type the name of the color you want to use, the software actually shows the code of the requested matching color. Actually, you may also simply type a color name of any known color like green, and the software will set a green color. Surely, green comes in all sorts of hues, but the software can only choose one in such a generic request. Finally, when you have a palette selected, you can see a list of these palette's colors by switching to swatches instead of using the color wheel. In that way, you can scroll through the color swatches and click to select the one you choose from the list.